if x and y are positive real numbers such that log base x square plus 12 should be equal to 4, and similarly 3 log base y x is equal to 1, then what is the value of x plus y is question here. So I'm going to use the basic identity of log here. So this can be written as x to the power 4 is equal to x square plus 12, which is equal to x power 4 minus x square minus 12 should be equal to 0. Factorizing the given equation, so this can be written as x power 4 minus 4x square plus 3x square minus 12 should be equal to 0. So which gives us x square minus 4 plus 3 into x square minus 4 is equal to 0. X square plus 3 and x square minus 4 is equal to 0. So we get x square plus 3 equal to 0. So x square will be equal to minus 3, and x square minus 4 equal to 0, and x square is equal to 4, and x will be equal to plus or minus 2. See, x and y are given as positive real numbers, so this is not a real number, so getting cancelled out. I cannot choose the value of x is equal to minus 3, and x can be equal to plus 2 or minus 2, and should always be a positive real number. So minus 2 is neglected, and the base of log cannot be a negative number, so minus 2 is also neglected here. So the value of x will be equal to 2, and I'm going to substitute the value of x equal to 2 in the second equation. So 3 log y base 2 equal to 1. So this can be written as log y base 2 to the power 3 equal to 1, and further simplifying, y power 1 is equal to 2 power 3, so the value of y will be equal to 8. And what is finally asked, x plus y. So the value of x here is 2 and the value of y here is 8. So the value of the given expression should be equal to 10. So the correct answer for the given question is option C.